Hello and welcome to the Oily Crafter YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Greg Medore. My call sign is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor. And today we will be talking about the AnyTone BT03 Desktop Microphone and the ability to connect it to an AnyTone 578 UV3 Pro or Plus, and then also a 878 radio. So let me show you the microphone here. So you can, as you can see here from the picture, there's the microphone. And this left one here is push to talk button. You can see here on the side we have a USB-C charging port right here. I believe they said the left button is a monitor button, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through connecting this up to an AnyTone. That's a 578 UV3 Pro, not a Plus, but those two, for the purposes of this demonstration, these are very much the same type of radio as far as the Bluetooth connection is concerned. So, as you can see right here in this mode, we're going to press and hold the NR power button. Come back up to right here, press and hold that.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
And as you can see, it actually connected to this radio. So we're going to come down here to Bluetooth. Paired names. Right here is the Bluetooth mic hand. So I had previously connected this to the to this radio, but I went in and I deleted it ahead of time. And as you can see, when I powered this microphone on, it automatically reconnected to the radio, which to me is just absolutely amazing that it remembers that, and there's no issue at all. So if I key up on this microphone here, and I'm going to pull back here just a little bit. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor, monitoring 146.91. That is the sound coming back through the speaker on this microphone. Now, some people have said that that they have a very poor audio quality. Mine is it's actually not the case for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to have my wife get on a handheld radio, and we're going to do a quick QSO so you can actually hear the voice quality on the radio. Alright, I got my wife set up with a hand HT, and we're going to try and make contact here. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor, looking for Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo.
This is Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. I'm hearing you loud and clear. Hope you having a good day. This is Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. Clear.
So as you can see from that test there, the audio quality is actually very clear on the 578. That sound, again, let me be clear, that sound is in fact coming from this speaker, not the speaker on the microphone, not the speaker on the radio. Okay, so what we've done is, as you can see, we have powered off the 578 radio, had a successful test. I've also powered off, and notice that there's no blinking lights here on the front of this microphone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair this to, this is an 878, an AnyTone 878 radio. I've got a sticker across here to remind me which radio it is I have in my hand, but that's what we're going to do. So we're going to try and attempt to connect this to 878 radio. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here to menu. We're going to come in here to Bluetooth. We're going to make sure Bluetooth is on. Okay. So now we're going to come over here to this radio, or to this microphone, I'm sorry. Press
Power on.
Okay. Notice the blue light is flashing. We're going to come back over here to menu. And come down here to Bluetooth. Bluetooth pairing. And we are going to say seek Bluetooth. And we're going to come down here to Bluetooth mic hand right there, and we're going to hit select.
Bluetooth connected.
So notice now we are connected to the 878. Okay, so let's see what paired list we have. And come back over here to the same radio. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor, monitoring 14691. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try and notice you can change the volume on this up and down. So let's come back in here, up and down.
Volume 9. Volume 8.
Okay, that's what the unit defaulted to. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come back out here and touch base with my wife and make sure she's ready for another audio check here. Okay, so now we are going to do an audio test. We're going to try and make contact with my wife on. This is on the same repeater we were just on. We're going to try and make contact here. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor calling Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo.
This is Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. I'm hearing you loud and clear. Hope your day is going well. Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo is clear.
Okay, now notice the audio level was a little low there, so
Volume 9. Volume 10.
okay, Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor. Can you come back again? My audio was down just a little bit, and I wanted to check and make sure that that this was better.
This is Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. I'm hearing you just fine. This is Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. Clear.
So in this case, it's as simple as that, of being able to connect it to the radio. So now when I turn off, I come over here and I'm going to turn off the 878. I'm going to power that off. Okay, set that to the side. We're going to come back and we're going to turn on the 578.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Okay, so now let's see. We're going to come back down here to Bluetooth. And we're going to do paired names here. Let's see what's in there. Nothing is in there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off.
Power off.
Just single button right here. And we're going to power this back on again.
Power on.
Okay, now notice that did not reconnect to Bluetooth. So the only downside is it doesn't remember two devices. So we're going to come back in here to Bluetooth. We're going to do Bluetooth pairing. We're going to seek Bluetooth. Right there, it came up on the list. We're going to hit select.
Bluetooth connected.
So now we're back and we're reconnected. So that's really, in my opinion, really the only drawback with this unit is it can only connect to one device at a time, which quite frankly, there are a lot of Bluetooth devices that are that way. But you saw how easy it was to connect. Just go into Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, and then make sure that you power on the radio. You get the flashing blue light there, indicating that it was in pairing mode. And then we went into Bluetooth and we did seek Bluetooth, found it on the list, and hit connect, and you're ready to go. So now if I come back over here to this device, and now I power this radio off again,
Bluetooth disconnected.
okay, so you heard it say it's a disconnected. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to power this on.
Bluetooth connected.
See, it's already connected back to this radio. So that's the other nice thing is that with this desktop microphone, it automatically remembers the last device that it was connected to. So we're going to come back in here and we are going to do one more audio check just to let you know that everything is working fine. Alright, we're going to make one additional contact here. By the way, this is an analog repeater here. So we're going to make a contact here. This is Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor calling Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo.
This Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. I'm hearing you loud and clear. Hope your day is going well. Kilo India 5 Victor Victor Echo. Clear.
So notice the audio quality was a little bit better on that one. Of course, the volume is up on the unit, but my wife was also holding the microphone quite a ways away from her mouth when it was quiet earlier, so both of those improved the audio quality. So I would definitely call that a successful test. So we had several successful tests using this microphone. We connected it to the 578 UV3 Pro, connected it to the 878 UV2 Plus, connected it back to the 578. Audio was great, a little bit low, but I was able to correct that using the volume up and down button. I did want to show you up here on the screen here. So the left button, this guy down here, that's a monitor button. This is a PTT, and then as you can see here on the side, there's a charging port. This one up here. This is a restart port, and you can see that looking right up here on the screen, right up here. And then you've got, of course, you've got the channel down, channel up buttons. You've got the speaker, the power, noise reduction. Now, one thing I will say is it did show in this section right here. It said noise reduction. This is noise reduction on or off. If the radio has noise reduction function and it's enabled on the radio, don't turn it on the desktop microphone again. Otherwise, it'll affect the radio voice quality. Like I said, some people had indicated having a poor sound quality, low sound, etc. That's typically caused by this NRC function that they determine. So by adding that in the instructions, that helped to clarify that. So with regard to this, I would say anyone that has a 578 in their ham shack and it's there and they do a lot of, let's say, 2-meter nets, etc., I would definitely recommend this microphone. I think it does quite well. I did an event recently where we had a lot of third-party traffic events, call-ins for the Maker Faire here in Tulsa area, and I did about 3 hours using this microphone, and no problem at all. Battery definitely will last. It was very hardly any use at all on the battery, so I can honestly say it will last long enough for you to do a rather lengthy event. So no issues, concerns at all there. But I did want to say thank you for watching our YouTube channel today. Very much appreciate your watching our content today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to let us know if there's anything that you would like to see future on our channel, or any questions you might have about this particular device. Please be sure to let us know in the comments there below. We would like to say thank you for watching our channel. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to our channel. So with that, I will say thank you everyone for watching. Again, we hope you found this content useful. So I will say hope you have a wonderful and blessed week. And my name is Dr. Greg Medora, Alpha India 5 Hotel Victor. Take care.